Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to create weekly status reports in Monday.com. First up, log into your Monday.com account. This is our starting point, where we'll be creating and managing our weekly status reports. Now let's move on to the main dashboard. Click on the New button and choose Board. The reason we do this is to create a dedicated space for our weekly status reports. Next up, name the board Weekly Status Reports and set it to Main. This helps us because it keeps our workspace organized and makes our status reports easily accessible to everyone on the team. After doing that, add columns for Task, Owner, Status, and Timeline. These columns are important because they provide a clear and concise summary of each task's progress and deadline. Now that we've done that, it's time to populate the board with tasks. Just click on Add Item, input the task's details, and assign it to a team member. You'll want to do this for each task that's part of your weekly workflow. This gives everyone a clear understanding of what needs to be done and who is responsible for each task. Once you've filled in your tasks, let me explain why this matters. This board is now your central hub for tracking team progress. It's where you and your team can update statuses, add comments, and manage deadlines. The final step is generating your weekly status report. To do this, go to Share and select Reports. Here, you can customize your report with filters and views that highlight key data. This is critical because it allows you to extract meaningful insights from your board and share them with stakeholders. And that's it. You've just learned how to create weekly status reports in Monday.com. Following these steps will ensure a smooth, organized tracking of tasks and a comprehensive report that keeps everyone informed and aligned. Thanks for joining, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.